Mornings can feel like a race against the clock. The alarm buzzes, and suddenly, the day begins. You have so much to do before you head out the door. Finding a moment for yourself in this morning rush is so important. A simple, quick makeup routine isn't just about looking good. It's a small act of self-care before the world wakes up. Think of this as your personal ritual, a way to greet the day with intention. You're not hiding your face, just enhancing your natural features. A touch of makeup can help you feel more awake and confident all day. This isn't about strict rules, it's about what makes you feel happy and ready to face the day. We'll explore easy steps that don't take much time or require expensive products. The goal: a fresh, natural look perfect for school or work, polished, professional, and still you. Let's master a quick, subtle makeup look that fits your busy life. Let's turn hectic mornings into a moment of peaceful preparation so you can step out feeling confident and ready. You don't need a huge collection of products for a quick, easy routine. Keep it simple. Start with a good moisturizer for your skin type. Add a concealer that matches your skin tone, perfect for covering small blemishes or dark circles. A light setting powder helps your makeup stay in place. For a healthy glow, use a creamy or powder blush in a shade that mimics your natural flush. Mascara instantly opens up your eyes. No complicated eyeshadows needed. Finish with a tinted lip balm or neutral lip color for hydration and a hint of color. Your clean fingertips are great for blending. If you prefer brushes, just a fluffy powder brush and a blush brush will do. Quality over quantity. Look for gentle, well-reviewed products, even from drugstore brands. As you get comfortable, you can add more, but this toolkit is all you need to start. Remember, you don't need expensive products for a beautiful, subtle look. This simple set is your perfect starting point. Let's keep mornings stress-free and beautiful. Let's walk through the steps for a natural, polished look. Start with clean, moisturized skin. This is your base. Spot conceal under your eyes and on blemishes, blending gently with your finger. Use a light hand. You can always add more if needed. Set concealer and reduce shine with a light sweep of powder, focusing on your T-zone. Avoid too much powder to keep a natural, dewy glow. Add blush to the apples of your cheeks, blending upward for a healthy flush. A coat or two of mascara on your top lashes opens up your eyes. Finish with a swipe of tinted lip balm or neutral lipstick. That's it. A complete, polished look in just a few minutes. No fuss, no stress. You're ready to take on the day. Simple, quick, and naturally beautiful. On rushed mornings, time-saving tricks are essential. Use multi-purpose products, like a tinted moisturizer for hydration and coverage in one step. Lip and cheek stains double up for color and save space. Keep your essentials organized in one bag or drawer. No more searching for products. Lay out your makeup the night before for a smoother morning. Small mistakes? No problem. Buff out too much blush with your powder brush or remove mascara smudges with a dry cotton swab. Practice your routine on a relaxed day to get faster and more confident. The more you practice, the quicker and easier it gets. Soon your 5-minute routine will be second nature. Even on the busiest days, you'll feel prepared and confident. A little prep goes a long way. Your skin is unique. Your routine should be too. For oily skin, use oil-free moisturizer and mattifying powder. For dry skin, focus on hydration and creamy products. Choose shades that match your skin tone. Test concealer on your jawline, not your hand. Fair skin loves soft pinks, medium tones suit rosy mauves, and deep skin glows with berries and plums. Don't be afraid to experiment. Makeup is art, and your face is the canvas. Add shimmer or a bold lip if you like. Adapt these tips to fit your style. The goal, a look that feels authentic and highlights your favorite features. Celebrate what makes you, you. Makeup is a fun accessory, but true confidence comes from within. This routine isn't about hiding, it's about enhancing what's already beautiful. Take a few moments for yourself each morning as a small act of kindness. When you feel good outside, it boosts your confidence inside. Appreciate your unique features. Makeup just highlights them. On days you skip makeup, remember, your worth isn't defined by products. This ritual can be a mindful, calming start to your day. Be present as you blend and brush. Let it ground you. Let your confidence, kindness, and personality shine brightest. Makeup is just a little extra sparkle. Embrace your natural beauty and individuality. Walk into your day knowing you're strong, capable, and radiant. As we wrap up, remember, makeup is your creative outlet. This routine is flexible and fun, adding polish without taking up your morning. Some days, go minimal. Other days, try a bold lip or winged liner. There are no rules, just what makes you feel good. These few minutes each morning are an investment in yourself. You're building confidence for whatever your day holds. Embrace your mornings as a moment of peaceful creativity. Use this routine to enhance your natural beauty and boost your confidence. Step out feeling radiant and unstoppable. The world is waiting. Meet it with grace, style, and a smile. You've got this. Shine your light brightly because you deserve it.